Today, we're going to show how easy it is to double a fraction. This is useful if you're cooking and you need to double backslash, RAC23 backslash, of a cup for a recipe. To double backslash, RAC23 backslash, we'll multiply it by 2. This gives us the expression. The multiplication can be broken down as follows. Multiplying gives us backslash, RAC2 times 2, 3 backslash, which simplifies to backslash, RAC4, 3 backslash. The result backslash, RAC4, 3 backslash, is an improper fraction. We need to convert this into a mixed number. First, we'll divide the numerator by the denominator backslash. 4 backslash div 3 equals 1 backslash, with a remainder of backslash 1 backslash. The quotient becomes our whole number part, and the remainder goes over the original denominator. So backslash RAC4 3 backslash is equal to the mixed number backslash 1 RAC1 3 backslash. In conclusion, doubling backslash RAC2 3 backslash of a cup gives us backslash 1 RAC 3 backslash cups. Now you're ready to adjust your recipes in the kitchen with confidence.